Today, the Itasca County Board heard citizen input from a local representative from Park Rapids about House File 432 and the importance of it relative to sexual crimes against children. So I would encourage everyone to consider reviewing HF 432 and also potentially supporting that. The county board also awarded the runway obstruction removal project for the Bowstring Airport, which was granted to a local contractor located in the area. A memorandum of agreement was signed between Itasca County and Teamsters Local 320 relative to some back pay for the county attorney. And we also ratified a contract for our management of information services through TriMin Incorporated. The new township and city maintenance contract rates were announced today, and those can be reviewed in the board packet, and those will not take effect until the 2025, 26, and 26-27 winters to give local communities and townships the opportunity to budget for that slight increase. We also approved the Bovee, Coleraine, Taconite Wastewater Commission's effluent line replacement resolution, which will be funded in partnership with the IRRR, ARP funding, and also some local funding. That's all I have for our update today. Thank you very much.